starts right now. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kira Clapper.
And I'm Raj Mathai. Today, California's insurance commissioner says he will approve State Farm's request to raise home insurance rates by 22%. But that approval comes with a catch.
NBC Bay Area's Alyssa Gord spoke with the insurance commissioner. And Alyssa, what is that catch?
Well, Karen, Raj, for starters, it means that State Farm's emergency rate request won't be heard behind closed doors, but rather in public before a judge. So we'll all get the chance to hear their explanation for why they think this is necessary.
I felt today.
California's insurance commissioner Ricardo Lara issued this order today saying State Farm's emergency request to raise rates is provisionally granted as long as the company appears at a public hearing in Oakland on April 8th before a judge and provides the data that explains why they need a massive emergency rate increase. Some Californians, like this man whose State Farm policy was canceled, say they're outraged.
I think the rate increase is ridiculous.
If approved, these rates would go into effect on June 1st and include a 22% increase for homeowners, a 15% increase for renters, and 15% for condo insurance premiums.
I need to get data. I need to fully understand what is happening to the financial condition of State Farm. And through this hearing process that has been established, we're going to finally get to the bottom of what's happening.
In an interview today, Commissioner Lara told us State Farm has not yet shown him all the evidence he needs. State Farm General, the California chapter of the insurance giant, insures about 20% of California homeowners. Today, they responded in a statement writing, while the provisional nature of this decision does not improve certainty, it is a step in the right direction. In 2023, State Farm stopped writing new policies in California, citing high losses and growing risks. Those are issues the entire insurance industry has said it struggled with in the Golden State.
And now we have these devastating fires at the beginning of 2025. So if an insurance company was struggling, that means they do need to ask for more rate a little faster.
But the nonprofit consumer Watchdog, who is the third-party opponent to State Farm's rate increase request, doesn't think the insurance giant has done enough to prove its financial hardship.
That kind of financial infusion should come from the parent company or other sources, not California consumers.
Commissioner Lara is also calling on State Farm to get $500 million from its parent company instead of simply asking ratepayers to cover the cost.
It's getting difficult to find insurance, but it is still a free market. So I guess if I'm an unhappy customer with State Farm, I'd have to go shop somewhere else.
One other important note, this likely is not a one-time request.
The State Farm customers can expect that their rates are going to continue to go up for the foreseeable future, but understanding always that these rate increases get spread around.
It's also important to note that State Farm requested a 30% rate increase just last June. That request was not approved, and State Farm asked for this emergency rate increase of a lower amount, 22%, this February. All of that comes after a 20% rate hike last spring. Kira and Raj.
All right, Alyssa.